Hello friends, today I am Harshit here to tell you how to send your file from Google Drive to OneDrive. Simply go to Chrome and type Google Drive. Search for it, go to Google Drive, go to Drive, and which folder you have to send, simply write the name of the folder. Likewise, I have to send the classroom folder. I go to it, I got all the files which are in the classroom folder. Check it that it has all the files and simply go to download option. Now it start downloading after a short time. Go to OneDrive in which you have to put this file. Go it, sign in. You have to sign in through your mail ID you have registered to the Microsoft. Now I go to my OneDrive folder. What we have to do, simply go to the folder and create a new folder in which you have to put all the data of your previous file. Let me create a folder named new folder. Now it start creating. We have created it. Open it. The file you are able to see it start downloading. Now you have to upload all the files which you want to put in this folder. So go to the in the Mac, I go to folders. I am having this folder, so I simply drop it here. Now it start downloading. Files get put in this folder. Now back the option, and I want to tell you how to share this folder. Click on the share button. You are able to see. You can simply type the ID on which you want this file to be sent, or you can simply send the link which get attached. Whenever the other person open that link, he got directed to this file folder. Thank you. Share and subscribe my channel.